Welcome to Deep Learning from Scratch, Part 1. What exactly is deep learning? Step 1. Let's start with how computers normally work. In traditional programming, a human writes the rules. For example, to catch spam emails, a programmer might write the rule: if an email has more than 3 links, mark it as spam. The computer just applies that human-written rule to the data, and out come the answers. The computer never learns anything, it only obeys. Step 2. Machine learning flips this picture. Now we give the computer the data and the correct answers. So instead of writing a spam rule, we show it 1,000 emails already labeled spam or not spam. And the computer works out the rules on its own. That discovered rulebook is what we call a model. Step 3. So where does deep learning fit? Picture 3 circles, one inside another. The outer circle is artificial intelligence, any machine that imitates human intelligence, in any way. Inside it sits machine learning, the systems that learn their rules automatically from data, like we just saw. And at the very center, deep learning, machine learning whose model is a neural network, a structure inspired by the neurons in your brain. Step 4. Here is the difference that makes deep learning special. Say we want to recognize a car in a photo. With classic machine learning, a human must first decide what to measure. Does it have wheels, windows? These measurements are called features. Only then can a classifier use those handmade features to decide, car, or not a car. Deep learning removes the human from that step. The raw pixels go straight into a neural network. The network discovers the useful features by itself, edges, then wheels, then whole cars, and classifies, all in one system, all learned from data. Let's recap what we learned. Traditional programming means humans write the rules. Machine learning means the computer learns the rules from labeled examples. And deep learning uses brain-inspired networks that even learn which features matter, straight from raw data. Next up, the neuron, where we turn a brain cell into a formula.